Searching for reliable transcription jobs that pay? Look no further. In this video, we unveil a legitimate platform that connects you with real transcription opportunities, ensuring you get compensated for your hard work. This platform is designed to be accessible and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced transcribers. Whether you're looking to make a career change or just earn some extra income, this site has something for everyone. Discover how this user-friendly site can help you kickstart your transcription career while offering flexible hours that fit your lifestyle. You can work from the comfort of your home, set your own schedule, and choose the projects that interest you the most. This flexibility allows you to balance work with other commitments, making it an ideal option for parents, students, or anyone looking for a side hustle. Don't waste time on scams. Join us to find out how to secure trusted transcription jobs today. Say goodbye to the frustration of dealing with unreliable platforms and hello to a secure and rewarding career. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest opportunities and tips for maximizing your earnings. Don't miss out on valuable information that can help you achieve your financial goals. We offer global opportunities for online earning. No matter where you are in the world, comment your country below for region-specific videos. We want to tailor our content to meet your needs and provide you with the most relevant information. Your feedback helps us improve and deliver better content for everyone. Now let's get started. Unlock the door to a rewarding remote career with legitimate transcription jobs. Take control of your future and start earning today. With CastingWords platform, the possibilities are endless. CastingWords is a legitimate platform offering transcription opportunities. As a transcriptionist, you can work on various tasks like transcription, editing, and grading while earning based on your skills and the urgency of the job. Once you become a CastingWords freelancer, you can log into the member dashboard, which is your central hub for all activities. From there, you can access a variety of transcription jobs. Typically, you will get to do transcription, transcript enhancement, and editing. Additionally, you will be involved in audio quality assessment, ensuring that the audio is clear and understandable. You will also be responsible for transcript and edit grading, providing feedback to improve future work. And finally, transcript and edit job approval, ensuring that the final product meets the standards. The rate you will be paid per audio minute usually depends on how quickly the transcription is delivered and what level you have reached as a transcriptionist. And there's a straightforward, flexible payment option via PayPal. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us and helps us improve. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Let us know what you liked, what you didn't, and what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our future videos. We have a lot of exciting content planned just for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay curious.